Venn diagram, very important topics of mathematics. Welcome to Home Academy. This video I am going to find out some set from this diagram. Let's start. This Venn diagram has two circles. One is A, another one is B. A circle has some value or element and B circle also similar, and all together this diagram we also include this 9. First we have to find out A. So A, it means the element of this circle. So here is 2, we can write 2 and should be include or inside in second bracket 2, then 3, then 4, then 6 and finally 7. These are element of set A. So number 1 done. Number B. So B circle, the elements are 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. So A and B done. Now we have to find out this one. It means union. Okay, so A union B. Look, we already get the value of A and value of B, or set A and set B already we get. So we can write this one. A means what? 2, 3, then 4, 6, 7, then union B. B is a 1, 2, 4, 8, right? Now look, union means common everything. So all the element will be included. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is no 5. It means 6, 7, and then 8. This is A union B. Now intersection. Intersection, what does mean? We have to find out the common things. It means this one. So we can write first A elements are 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Then intersection B 1, 2, 4, 8. So this is the intersect. It means A and B both has two elements, which is 2 and 4. 2, 4, 2, 4. So our answer is 2 and 4. Okay. Number 5. This is set of difference. By this slide we are trying to find out another, which is B minus A and A minus B. What do you think? The answer will be similar? No. So this one, first we have to do number 5. B elements are what? 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay. Then A, which is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay. Now look, difference means we have to out. So here we will be take only what? So we will out this one. So here is only 8 and 1, right? 8 and 1 we will keep. So we can write this one. So 2 and 4 out, so only 8 and 1. 8 and 1. Okay. So this is number 5. Now we will start number 6. Number 6. This is difference of A and B. A the set 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, right? And difference is B. B means 1, 2, 4, 8, right? Now difference means we will out this one we out from A and B. Just we will keep 3, 7, 6, which is not included in set B. That means 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. Okay, this is our answer. So different set of B and A and difference of A and B, we already get the answer. Now look, the result is not similar. Here is 1 and 8 and here is 3, 6, 7. So be careful about this one. Suppose 5 minus 3 equals to 2 and 3 minus 5 equals to minus 2. This one and set difference is not similar thing. So very careful. Question 7. Here is the complement set of A and B. What does mean A prime? It means difference of universal set and A. What is universal set? Universal set is, look, everything in the rectangle and circle, all the elements are included in universal set. We can write this one like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and also include this 9. Okay, so we can write this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, difference A. A means what? Here is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, right? So now we will out this one. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 6, 7. So we will write 1, then 8, 9, 8, 9. Okay, and this is the what? Complement set of A. Now what is complement set of B? So similar, this is universal set, difference B. So universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and difference B means what? 1, 2, 4, 8. So what will be the result? Here 1, 2, 4, 8 will be out. So we will take 3, 4, 6, 7 and 9. So we can write 3, 4, 6, 7 and 9, and this is our result. Okay, so this is question 8 actually, not 9. So thank you very much being with me. This video I am trying to solve different types of set based on Venn diagram, which is very important for examination. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. By this channel, it means Home Academy, you will get lots of things, and very good news that very soon I'm trying to solve or trying to make a video like ICT. So till then, take care of yourself and keep practice at home. Thank you.